friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our sixth question in third exercise. So what is our sixth question? So here they are given that sum of 7 terms equal to 49 and sum of 17 terms will be equal to 289. Then we have to find what is the sum of n terms. So what is the formula for sum of n terms? So we have to know what is the sum of n terms. That is, sum of n terms Sn will be equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for sum of n terms. So what they are given? Sum of first 7 terms. So sum of first 7 terms will be equal to 49. So sum of first 7 terms, that is equals to n will be equal to 7. So what is S7 will be equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 7 by 2 into 2a plus n will be equal to 7 minus 1 into d. So sum of 7 terms, that is 49. So here 49 we will get. Then what is this? So let's going to multiply this one. So 49 into 2 will be equal to 7 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 will become 6d. So this is the one. Then what is this? 2a plus 6d will be equal to 49 into 2 by 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. That is 7 into 2 will become 14. So 2a plus 6d will be equal to 14. Then what you can take common here? You can take common of 2a plus 3d. That is 2 3s are 6. That is equals to 14. That implies a plus 3d will be equal to 14 by 2. 2 ones are, then 2 sevens are. That is a plus 3d will be equal to 7. Let's going to take, this is equation 1. This is the equation 1. Then what they are given again here is sum of 17 terms. So sum of 17 terms, first 17 terms will be equal to, what is that? 289. So here 289 they are given. What is the case here is, so n will be equal to 17. N will be equal to 17. So let's going to continue our solution. So S17 will be equal to n by 2, that is 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 17 minus 1 into d. So this is the one. So 289 here into 2 will be equal to 17 into 2a plus 16d. So 2a plus 16d. So this is the value. Let's going to multiply here. What is the case? 289 into 2 by 17 will be equal to 2a plus 16d. So what is the case here? So we will get it as, let's go into 289. So 17s are 289. So 17s are 289. That is 17 into 2 will be equal to 2a plus 16d. So 2a plus 16d will be equal to 17 into 2. Here let's going to take common a plus 17 into 2. So 2 will going to cancel. A plus 8d will be equal to 17. So let's going to take, this is equation. What is that? Equation 2. So equation 1 is there and equation 2 is there. Let's going to subtract 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. What is the case here is a plus 8d will be equal to 17. Again 8 plus 3d will be equal to 7. So subtraction, right? Symbols will going to change here. So plus a minus a will going to cancel and 80 minus 3, that is 5d. So 17 minus 7 will be 10. So what is the case? D will be equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So D will be equal to 2. So let's go into substitute D equal to 2 in equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus 3D will be equal to 7. Then A plus 3 into D, that is 3 twos are 6. So A will be equal to 7 minus 6 will be equal to 1. So what is the value? So 7 minus 6 will be equal to 1. So here Therefore, a will be equal to 1 and common difference is what? 2. Then what is sum of n terms? Sum of n terms n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 into a will be equal to 1, then n minus 1 as it is, then d will be 2. So n by 2 into 2 plus, what is the value here? So 2 here, n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2, what is the value? So plus 2 minus 2 will going to cancel, then n into 2n by 2. So 2 will going to cancel, n square. So since sum of n terms will be equal to sum of n terms will be equal to n square. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.